Hi family, welcome back to another recipe, okay? Let's make some oxtail my way. To start off, I'm going to be washing and prepping my veggies, okay? So for this recipe, I use some green, red, and yellow bell peppers as well as some onions, okay? To make the cooking process faster, I use the food chopper to chop my veggies, okay? You could do it by yourself or you could use the food chopper. But for this recipe, I use this. I need some kick in my oxtail, so I'll go ahead and grind some ginger and green chilies, okay? I got this green chilies from the halal market. Family, let's go ahead and season those oxtail, okay? So every seasoning that I use for this oxtail, I will be listing them down in the description box, so make sure to check them out. Family, as you're watching this banger, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, please turn on your post notification bell so whenever I post a new recipe, you're the first to watch, okay? Family, the oxtail seasoning I used for this recipe was purchased from the African market. You could try any supermarket around you and you're gonna find one, okay? Now, let's go ahead and mix all of that deliciousness together. After mixing, we'll go ahead and add our veggies, added some scallions as well, and oh boy, this was not even ready yet, but family, I was salivating. So we'll go ahead and fry those oxtails, okay? I want those oxtails to brown before I cook them. So in a heated pan, I put in some butter and then went ahead with my oxtail, okay? In total, I fried this oxtail for about 25 minutes. Family, look at how good those oxtails look. So I flipped the oxtail so both sides could fry, and after 25 minutes, that was when I took my oxtails out, okay? Taking those oxtails out, I went in with some onions and allowed those onions to fry for 3 minutes. Right after the onions were fried, I went in with the veggies that we marinated with the oxtail. Now I will pour some hot water in the bowl and then pour it into the pot, okay? Go ahead and mix all of that deliciousness together, and then you could go ahead and pour in your oxtail. Now oxtail takes a very long time to cook, so make sure that you have the patience for it. So yes, once our oxtails is in there, we will add a little bit more hot water and then cover that pot and allow this oxtail to take its time to simmer and cook until tender. It's been almost 2 hours since we put our oxtail on fire, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in some habanero pepper. Remember I told you guys that I need some kick in there, yes. So I add those pepper in there just so that my oxtail could be a little spicy. We will cover that when we're done and let it cook for an hour more. Now, look at our oxtail after 3 hours. At this point, our oxtail was ready, so I went ahead to garnish with some scallions, okay, or green onions. And oh boy, look at how thick the sauce looks. So I had some leftover white rice, so I paired this deliciousness with some white rice, and then I fried some plantains and ate with them. Now family, try this recipe at home and let me know how you like it. It's time for me to eat. And family, look at how good those oxtails look. It was really delicious. I hate to leave you guys this way. I want to enjoy my meal very well. So family, that is it for today's recipe. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye family. Take very good care of yourself, and I love you. Mwah.